Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by blocking in the horizon and main shapes with a light pencil. This gives a roadmap for color placement. Once done, choose 3 to 5 color blocks: deep blue for the sky, warm yellow for distant lights, and darker tones for foreground silhouettes, and lightly map them on paper. Make sure to have your oil pastels organized by value and a paper towel ready for soft blends. That order speeds the process and prevents muddy colors later. You layer mid to dark blues across the sky area using short, overlapping strokes. This creates depth and avoids flat color. Then blend with circular motions using your finger or a stump to produce a smooth gradient, making sure the horizon remains slightly lighter. Next, add stars and distant lights by lightly tapping white and warm yellow pastel. Use a toothpick or the pastel tip for tiny points. As you work, alternate adding thin veils of darker blue to keep atmosphere and contrast. You finish by grounding the scene with foreground silhouettes. Block in buildings, trees, or a shoreline with darker pastels and simplified shapes to preserve depth. Once shapes are placed, add subtle warm glows where artificial light hits edges to sell the night effect, and lift small highlights with a kneaded eraser if needed. If colors smudge or lose contrast, gently rework layers and apply a light fixative spray. If haze appears, reintroduce sharp highlights and edges to restore clarity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.